Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the cleanest source possible. Convert to WAV or high bitrate lossless and set sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz. Once done, open your chosen neural separation tool and load the file. Make sure the model is configured for vocal isolation rather than generic noise reduction. Immediately set output to at least 2 stems, vocals and accompaniment, and enable stereo processing. These first steps ensure the algorithm has quality input and the right target outputs, which directly affects how well music will be removed. Run the separation and watch the logs. High-quality models may do multiple inference passes. Once you have a vocal stem, listen critically for music bleed and spectral artifacts. Use a gentle high pass around 80-120 Hz to remove low rumble and a parametric notch if tonal bleed persists. If you still hear music, rerun with a stronger separation preset or cascade a second pass focused on the vocal stem. Then use spectral repair or adaptive gating to attenuate residual instruments. These refinements remove most remaining music while preserving natural voice. To finish, export the isolated vocal at the original sample rate and bit depth, then normalize to your target loudness. Make sure transient and breath detail remain intact. If you hear unnatural warbling or musical residues, try an alternative separation model or perform manual spectral editing to remove offending frequencies. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if the vocal sounds hollow after aggressive processing, revert to the intermediate stem and reduce separation strength, then apply selective spectral repair. Small, surgical edits beat heavy-handed global processing for preserving voice quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.